I mean, generally speaking, as far as halacha, as far as ethics, when a person goes to shiur Torah, they're not allowed to walk out so long as the speaker is speaking. And that's why you'll see many times, unless they've already told the speaker ahead of time that they have to leave. Generally speaking, the way it works, as far as what it's supposed to be, is rabbis, for example, that come to a lecture of another speaker, they, if they need to go somewhere, if they know that they can only stay for, let's say, a half hour or an hour, and they know it's a 2-hour lecture, if they don't tell the person right away, to know that, they leave as soon as they start speaking. They don't stay even for a half hour. Why? Because they don't want to insult the speaker from them leaving and thinking maybe, and also encouraging other people to leave. That's generally speaking.
So you're saying that here?
No. What I'm saying to you is that in here we don't have that policy because we already tell everybody to come for at least an hour, which means it's already understandable by default that everyone is not going to stay for the whole thing. So that's why that's in this particular case it won't apply. So if you had to leave, you had to leave. What you should do is not leave. It's better that you're, if as far as I don't know how much time it's going to be as far as lateness. If it's 5 minutes, it's not a big deal. But if it's, let's say, either go to the shiur or but if you go to the shiur, you're going to be stranded in the airport for 3 hours. Then no, you have to go pick her up. You have to do it. The best idea is usually to set up somebody else to do it. Uber. It's better that you pay somebody to go pick somebody up in the airport than you do it yourself. Number one, it's a better use of your time and better use of your money. I always tell people not to pick me up at the airports because I tell them you could definitely use your time better than just picking me up. I'll just pay for an Uber, and that's it. It's I don't know why people still do it to this day. Just picking up from the airport stuff. It doesn't really save much money.
It depends on the situation. It's not meant to save money.
Right.
It's like if I'm picking up my sibling that I haven't seen in a while.
Let's see what you get some.
I guess.
Again, in general, it all depends on how a person manages their time.
On the way there, before you listen to shit.
It all depends on how a person manages their time. You can do a lot of good things going to the airport. You can do a lot of good things not going to the airport. The point is where and how you are. I mean, there's no default. If, let's say, for example, there was if you leave at 5 minutes later, it's going to be a 5-minute difference. It's not a big deal. Just listen to the rest of the shiur.
That's what ended up happening.
But if it's going to be an hour or 2 hours, then no. Then you have to leave. You can't just leave her stranded because she's expecting you.
Right.
So it depends. But if you ask me what I would do, I don't pick up people in the airport, and I ask them not to pick me up either. Sometimes they do anyway because they insist, but I generally don't tell people to pick me up because I think that they can use their time better.
No,
It's actually funny that tonight it actually happened that it only ended up being 5 minutes over.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
5 minutes. So wait, so you already went and came back?
No, I'm going to go right now.
Oh, so good.
But like I'm supposed to be there at 11:30. It's like
on the ride.
11:10.
Oh, you'll be fine.
Yeah, exactly.
Take care.